Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If hand tracking is not working on your MetaQuest 3 and 3S, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple methods that you can try to fix the problem. But before we start, make sure you are in a reasonably well lit room. Hand tracking can have trouble working properly if the room is too dark. Make sure there's enough light around you. Now let's move on to the first method. Method 1. Make sure hand tracking is enabled. First, open settings on your MetaQuest 3 or 3S. Now find and tap on hands and body tracking. On the left side, make sure hands and body tracking is turned on. If it's already turned on but hand tracking still isn't working, try turning it off first. Wait for about 10 seconds and then turn it back on. Once you have done that, simply put your controllers down and raise your hands in front of the headset. You should now be able to see your hands being tracked and use them to control your Quest. If it still doesn't work, let's try the second method. Method 2. Clear boundary history. For this, go back to the settings. Then go to the environment setup and tap on boundary. Now swipe all the way down and tap on clear boundary history. After clearing it, you will need to set up your boundary again. Once the new boundary is created, try using hand tracking again and see if the problem is fixed. And if hand tracking is still not working, there's one more thing you can try. Method 3. Completely power off your Quest. Go to settings, then tap on general. From here, select power and then choose restart your device. Now wait for the headset to restart completely. Once it turns back on, put your controllers down, raise your hands and check whether hand tracking is working again. And that's it. These are the simple methods you can try if hand tracking is not working on your MetaQuest 3 and 3S. Hopefully one of these methods fixes the problem for you.